what is the business value of data? So we'll start by sort of setting the stage here by saying, many of our listeners, they may have seen, news stories, articles in recent times about shocks to supply chain disruption.
Right. So in the last couple of years, we've seen some big shocks to the system where, we have in place for transporting goods. So you've heard about supply chain disruption a lot, but in real tangible terms, what that really means to the wholesale business is that where you used to pay something like $3,000 to ship a container full of goods, you now have to pay $25,000.
So if all of a sudden your shipping costs are like 8 times what they were, that's obviously going to cut into your profit margin, right?
Yes. And in some cases, if you keep operating, you're going to start to lose money.
You've got 3 choices, right? You can either stop doing business, you make no money. You can keep doing business and you start losing money, or if you try to sort of correct and just raise your prices, you kind of risk losing your customers and doing damage to your business over the long haul because you've broken those relationships. Yeah,
exactly. So what we were able to do is really use data to tackle that third option.
Okay, good. So now we're getting to the data. How does the data come in? Where does that bring value here?
Well, given the prices were set at the beginning of the year, we looked at each client in terms of the price that they were paying, and we compared it to the revised cost with transportation. So what we were able to do is create a system using data to allocate these increased expenses across different product lines that our customers would sell and really provide clear information that they can share with their customers. And with this new data insight coming from Cognos, using our QuickStart solution, we were able to easily identify what we considered typically as profitable customers to now no longer being visible as profitable due to the rise in these transportation costs.